Okay guys, this is a follow-up to some observations that I took note of from the latest Cyanotype box prints. And so I'm going to put it to the test. Alright, so this is the subject matter for the day. From what I observed in terms of what was happening with certain colors on the print, looking at this setup, I'm going to make the assumption that the vase, the upper part of the vase, will go white. The lower part of the vase should fall into a blue tone. The pink flowers will go blue, and the butterfly will also go blue. The green leaves should go white. So I want to see if I can confirm my assumptions. Now I know the print that comes from that box camera is a negative. My objective is to see how colors will render in tone and the level of tone that each of these colors provide. So, in other words, you'd be able to set up your image knowing that you're working with different tonal ranges to apply depth to the negative that can possibly even be looked upon as a positive. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy. Here you can really see the differences. You can see that the vase on the bottom is darker than on the top, which I had assumed. The pink flower is dark in this one, and the other pink flower as well, and the butterfly too. And for the leaves have gone white, which is what I had assumed as well. These are the prints that were made. The first print was exposed for 10 minutes, the second for 15 minutes, and the third for 20 minutes. For most of the prints, I have been exposing them for about 30 minutes, and I have found that 30 minutes
is way too long. So I took the opportunity to expose the same image with varying exposure times. I personally like the print that was exposed for 15 minutes. I find that it hasn't lost all of its chemistry. The reason I prefer this print over the other two, this shows the best rendition of what I'm trying to see that may be possible. This is the print that was exposed for 10 minutes. And although there is still quite an amount of detail, it still doesn't give me enough to go on. And for the print that was exposed for 20 minutes, again, sharpness is there, but I find a lot is lost from the pink rose and down. So there are a lot of variables that I still have to look into. Here are a few other prints that I made. This print was made with Fabriano's 100% cotton paper, and this one was made with Fabriano's 25% cotton watercolor paper. Now you really can't see anything on this print. I was curious to try this paper. This is Strathmore's Vision watercolor paper. It does not indicate it's 100% cotton, so I know that it's not. I'm just going to bring it a little closer. I'm not sure if you can really get a good look here, but you can see how this paper has really been affected by the emulsion. It's like eaten up. Yeah, it still kind of looks interesting, but you can't really see what's going on here. And in case you're wondering what this picture is, this is what it's supposed to be.